in a lot of the times and result in many from the circumstances and the satisfactory cases gathered. Already the individual from narrowness suffers sharp in the breathing. What the person about the rising hinders inactive his the accustomed daily newspaper, and puts him in case from the disturbance and lack of the comfort. Indeed, difficulty of the breathing speaking result of the injury in some illness and practice a lot of the wrong customs. Adequate. Our next subject will spotlight in sequence on the reasons which buildup of this phenomenon performs to, for her the ability on cure and the limiting her. 1. Suffering from hyperventilation syndrome. Hyperventilation syndrome is a common cause of shortness of breath, especially in young people, although during this case the patient breathes more than his need and is increasingly and accelerating, due to his fear or anxiety, but he nevertheless feels severe shortness of breath. 2. Exposure to asthma attacks. In most cases, hearing the sounds of whistling during the breathing process can indicate asthma or bloating, which negatively affects the breath and leads to difficulty in the process of exhalation and exhalation. 3. Heart disorders and problems. A large group of heart problems are mainly associated with breathing, because angina, heart attacks, birth defects, and myocarditis are all factors that make the person's breathing difficult. 4. The injury in descents. The sharp cold. As a result of climate changes and cold weather, it is common for an individual to suffer from severe colds that are often associated with obstructive airways, thus making it difficult to breathe and exhalation. 5. Occurrence of clots in the lung. Sudden shortness of breath should not be neglected, as in rare cases, it may indicate a severe clot in the lungs, commonly known as pulmonary embolism. Here we note that this injury may be preceded by foot swelling and severe pain in the area,